Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you another thing to practice, which is doing a double crochet. And I'll show you the steps on doing that. So with our lovely piece of crochet that we have here, again what we're going to do is we're going to start off our loop. Okay. Ta-da. Then we go to the beginning of our work. Okay. Insert our crochet needle, crochet hook into there. Pop on our next colour, the loop. And again, we pull through. And then we're down and around, and we're going to finish off that loop there. Now we've got one on here. We're going to go through the same one again. Okay. Go down. Oops. Down and around. Pull that through. Now we have two threads here. Down and around. Okay. And that's the beginning of our next line. So we're just going to work a couple in here through the back. Go one. Okay, down and around, bring it through. Now we've got two, down and around. Okay, move to the next one, go through the V, go under the back, down and around, pull that through. Now we've got two loops, down and around, and then we're going to pull it through two loops. Okay. Now this is how you do a double stitch in the crochet, double crochet for the mosaic. Now this is why this line here is important to show. That's the, remember, if you can remember, that's the very front of the V here. So what you're going to do now is you're going to, without going through any loops, you're going to go around and put some wool onto your crochet hook. See there. Okay, now with your hook, so here is our third stitch here. We're going to move down and we're going to pick up this thread. Okay, this piece of wool. So we're going to go around. Okay, there's our next stitch there, but what we're going to do is we're going to pick up this one over here. So we're going to pick that up with your hook. All right. Now we've got three. Now we're going to down and around. We need to pull that through one. Okay, and now that kind of locks it up there. Now we've got three here. Okay, so we need to go down and around, pick up that wool, and we need to pull it through two. Like so. And now we have two here, doing exactly the same. Down and around. You're going to pull that through to finish off the stitch. And that is our first double crochet on our mosaic. Now you can practice that. First of all, do a single. Pick that up, pull that through two. Now you can practice that by going, I want to do a double, so work out where your crochet is going to go. Okay, like this one here. Right here, we're going to actually skip a line. If you can see that, we're actually skipping a line. So we're going to go around, put some wool on our crochet hook. First off, we're going to go down using our hook. We're going to pick up the thread. Now we have 3. I'll go down and around, go through 1, okay, and that just locks it in place. Don't worry about it looks stretched, it will go back normal. And now we've got 3 loops here, so what we need to do is we need to finish this off. We go down and around, pull through 2. Okay, now we end up with 2 more on our loop. So we go down and around, and then we pull it through, both of them. And now we have something that kind of looks like that. Okay, so you do that again, do a single through the V, down and around, pull that through, okay, down and around, finish that stitch off, pull that through too. Okay, now we're going to do a double. So we put wool on to our hook, we miss this line, okay, and then we're going to pick up this thread here, okay, use our hook it up. All right, now we've got 3, so down and around, we're just going to lock that into place. Now we have 3 here again. Let's go down and around, and we're going to pull it through 2 loops like that, and then we're going to come back and we're going to finish that one off by putting it through the 2 again. Okay,